Okay, we have the December Sophie and Toffee Elves box. It's a blowout box, and I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the insert, and we have the July Creative Contest winners. We have Varnish Sealer UV, Matte Sealer Air Dry, Dual Color Shift, Pigment, Fairy Glitters in 6 different colors. Ooh, neon assorted. Design Confetti, Gold Foil Sheets, Black Hollow Pigment Powder, Gold Hollow Pigment Powder. And if I can open it. And then we have a miniature polar bear. Oh, it's an in bed. And then a baby polar bear. Some dried flowers, regular UV resin for silicone molds, gummy crystal LED resin, blue colored. Oh, that'll be fun. And then 28 types of embellishments and a jewelry container. So, let's go inside and look. So, wait, what would this be? I'll come back to this. Maybe this is the gold foil. Let's see. Yep, gold foil. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't want to ruin you yet. Well, I don't want to ruin you at all. Oh no, I'm destroying it. Okay, putting it away. Okay, next we have these pretty purple flowers and leaves. And then this is the gold pigment powder. Ooh, look at that. It's nice and holographic. Okay, and then here is the black. Here, let me open this one. Hopefully I don't spill it everywhere. Oh no, there we go. Boop. Ooh, it's kind of got like gold flecks in it. Like, can you see that? I hope you can. Yeah, it's like black with little pieces of gold. That's so pretty. Oh, you can kind of see it on my hands. Okay. And they have little eyeshadow applicators inside, which helps you get into your molds. And then I have the matte sealer. So after you make your resin pieces or whatever you're crafting, if you put this over it, it has a matte finish. I'll make a video of that showing you guys how it works. And then here's the varnish sealer. I used to use like clear nail polish, but this is way better. And Sophie and Toffee's is so awesome. Oh, that is a strong smell. Make sure you wear protective gear when you work with anything like this, like resin or this is blue crystal LED gummy. I've never attempted to make any gummy thing at all, so that'll be fun to play with. And then, oh, that's the tiny bear. Okay, we'll come back to that. Here are the fairy glitters. I'm going to pull those out so you guys can get a better look. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with glitter. I have so many different kinds of glitter, different sizes and shapes. But this is really pretty. So we have gold. holographic gold, and then we have like 2 shades of pink. This one is more of like a rosy pink, and then this one's more like a purpley pink, more to the blue tones, and then this is more to the orange colors. And then we have, again, they're really close, but this one is silver, hollow, and there's chunky, and I would say there's 3 gauges of glitter in here, like a small, medium, and a larger hexagon, and then this is more of like a blue, purpley hollow. And then this is another, it's similar to the gold, but it's more of a rose gold. So there's those. I'll put them all up so you can look at them all at once. There we go. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. So much. And then, ooh, here's our confetti glitter. Oh, there's white in there. Oh, that's so cool. Let me see if I can open it for you guys. Let's see here. There we go. Ooh, I love this. So it's got white hearts in it, and then solid neon colored smaller confetti, and it's pink, green, blue, and yellow. But it's slightly matte. I mean, it's still shiny, but it's not, definitely not hollow or anything like that. Kind of reminds me of like Skittles or Lisa Frank. And then we have the UV resin, of course. And here are our little baby polar bear and the mama polar bear. So that they're super tiny. Like, smaller than my fingernail. It's even hard for me to hold, and I've got glitter all over my hands. Sorry about that. I don't know if you can see it. So tiny. And then the bigger one. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's the bigger one. I don't even know what I have to think of something creative to use these for. There's the big one. So mama and the baby. So cute. I'm just going to put them both in here. Put that over there. And then we have solid pigment. Where's this? Oh, here. The dual color shift pigment. So how does that work? So you put it on your... Does it just work kind of like eyeshadow? Let me know if you know how this works. I mean, I assume you just coat your mold with it and then you put in the resin, or you put it on your resin piece after. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Can you see that kind of shine on my finger? And then the blue. Ooh, that's like a purple. Here, I'll do it on the back of my hand so you can see it better. So there's like a gold and like a purple-y. Like this one almost, this is like iridescent-y, cottony, candy looking, and then that's gold. I wonder what they look like together, so I'm going to put them on top of each other. So then this one is like both colors on top, and then the gold and the blue. And you won't get the same color as me necessarily. So I got the blue and gold one, and there's a green and blue, pink and blue, purple and blue, red and blue, and pink and purple. Although this blue is very purpley, so it's a very pretty iridescent. I'm really happy I got this color. I probably would have liked any of the colors, but I like what I have. And so these are all the 28 types of embellishment in this like jewelry container. This looks very nail salon-y to me. So let's see what we have in here. It might be a bit of a pain to open each one, but I do want you to see what's in here. So, so these are just gold balls and silver balls. Just like, they're not, they're like half of a circle. And then we have teeny little gold with, and medium gold, and then rose gold and silver. Why does this one have orange around the case? Well, looks like these two are the same colors. I'll have to, I had a little X-Acto around here. I'll have to find that, and then I'll show you them closer. These are just little pearl pieces. Some are off-white and then more silvery and then pearlescent. Oh, here it is. Okay. I will open this and let's see why it's that color. Let me put this away so that I don't hurt myself because I'm clumsy. Ooh, there we go. Now you can see better. So there's like a steely gunflint color, rose gold, and then this is more like a peachy matte gold, less shiny. Like it's rose gold, but like a less reflective. And here's regular gold. And then I will just open all of them so you can see. And then here they're just little pearl pieces. Let me pull one out for you. So see, very pretty. And what do we have next? Oh, these are just little iridescent rhinestones. I really like unboxing things, packaging. For some reason, I don't like, waste, but I do like opening present-y type things, just as long as everything's recyclable. These ones are a little harder to open. So here there's hearts, circles, ovals, and little elongated teardrops. Those are really pretty. And then these are little crystals. These are pretty. And these little cases are going to come in handy even after I use up what's inside of them. I know that. So there's little teeny, these ones are little circles. And then these are little diamond-y crystals. And then these are like their unicorn tears. They sell them, if you look them up on the Sophie and Toffee site, they're called unicorn tears. And then these ones are just different colored little rhinestones. Oh, that's also really pretty. Oh, I think I got a little of these in that one. And to get these out, you usually just use like a dotting tool. I won't open these because you can basically see they're rhinestones with silver backs. There's like a rose gold color, pinkish blue, emerald, and crystal clear. And then, oh, these are little, I don't know, would you call them sand chunks? I'm not sure. Let me know what the name of them is, because I'm not quite sure. And please feel free to correct me if I'm wrong about anything that I've opened and described. Oh no, it got all over. Oh no, one of them was open. Oh, now I have it all over him. That's okay. I'm used to glitter everywhere. So this one, again, is like a bronzy color, I think. And here's just silver. And pink and green. Sorry. And then fuchsia. Here, I'll open them all at once so you can see the different colors. So that's a lot of fun little charms, embeds, things to decorate your shakers with, and other resin pieces. Sorry, I just shook the camera. And I've never worked with dried flowers, so I'm really excited to work with that too. And the gummy resin, oh my gosh. I don't even know. I'm so excited. And then this one is a little loose. And the gold foil, and I'll have to come up with a cool craft for these polar bears. Let me know what you guys come up with. If you have a Sophie and Toffee's box subscription, I am not affiliated with them or anything. I just love it, and I love watching other artists that open their Sophie and Toffee boxes and stuff like that. And I absolutely adore glitter, everything glitter. I try to always buy any unique glitters I see, but I'm not wasteful with them. I always make sure that I use them up in projects, and I hope you had fun watching me unbox the Sophie and Elves, the Sophie and Toffee Elves box, the Blowout 2020, and I hope you guys have a great December holiday season if you celebrate. And if not, just a lovely winter season. All right.